You're gonna love the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, power passenger seat, premium sound system, power liftgate. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.